Applicability is now supported for the pages in generic parts catalogs. Previously, it was available for DPL rows only. First, we need to create a reference table. Our table in this example contains two items, Model A and Model B. Then we will specify applicability in the page metadata. We do this for both IPC pages in our example. And let's see the result. Our IPC contains two pages with different applicability values. When we use the applicability filter, this drop-down menu on the right, we see only the page with the selected applicability value.